Imagine a place where US military bases sit next to ancient castles, where 100-year-olds do Tai Chi at sunrise, and the beach is so clear you can see your own existential crisis in the sand. Welcome to Okinawa, Japan's rebellious, tropical little sibling that the mainland doesn't always talk about. But here's the kicker. While the rest of Japan gets cherry blossoms, sushi, and subways, Okinawa gives you coral reefs, pork belly, and people who literally forget to die. Stick around, because what you think you know about Japan is about to get sunburned. Okinawa isn't just Japan's version of Hawaii, it's an archipelago of contradictions. It's zen and zany, ancient and military-grade modern, peaceful yet still scarred by war. It's the kind of place where you can sip a hibiscus cocktail in your flip-flops, then accidentally wander into a 15th century fortress on your way to dinner. So let's break it down, because if you're new to this paradise, it's easy to make rookie mistakes. Like assuming the locals speak standard Japanese. Spoiler, they don't. Or thinking the best beaches are the ones near Naha Airport. They're not. Let's start with the capital, Naha, the noisy gateway. Naha is where you'll probably land and immediately wonder if you're in the right place. It's busy, a little gritty, and oddly obsessed with pork. But give it a minute. Wander down Kokusai Street where neon signs flash over souvenir shops selling snake liquor and purple sweet potato tarts. It's part tourist trap, part fever dream, and weirdly fun. Visit Shurijo Castle. Yes, it burned down, again, but they're rebuilding it, again. And the ruins alone whisper enough samurai drama to make the trip worth it. If you're lucky, you'll catch a Ryukyuan dance performance. Think, traditional robes, haunting flutes, and moves that predate TikTok by about 600 years. Beaches that will ruin all other beaches. Now we get to the real reason you came. Okinawa's beaches are so turquoise they make Photoshop cry. Head north to Emerald Beach in Ocean Expo Park. It's where the water looks like a vacation brochure accidentally came to life. Or better yet, hop a ferry to the Kerama Islands where the snorkeling is so good, even the sea turtles act like you're intruding on their spa day. But the real flex? Yonaguni Island, Japan's westernmost point. You'll need some effort to get there, but if you're brave enough to dive off its coast, you'll find the infamous Yonaguni Monument, a mysterious underwater rock formation that might be Atlantis, or just a weirdly shaped rock. Either way, it's awesome. Okinawa isn't typical Japan. It was once the Ryukyu kingdom, and that independent vibe still lingers, along with its own language, snake-skinned instruments, and a no-rush meal philosophy. The food? Pork-heavy Goya, bitter melon, and yes, it's bitter, and Okinawa soba, thick wheat noodles in soul-hugging pork broth. Drink it down with awamori, the local rice liquor some families age like treasure. Island hopping and inner peace. You could stay on the main island the whole time, but why would you, when Okinawa has 160+ other islands just begging to be explored? Ishigaki is for adventurers. Think jungle hikes, cliffside views, and manta rays the size of coffee tables. Miyako-jima is for romantics. Perfect white sand beaches and the kind of sunsets that make you propose to someone. Anyone, really. And then there's Iriomote, the island where you can kayak through mangroves, hike to waterfalls, and maybe, just maybe, spot the elusive Iriomote wildcat, which is like a Pokemon brought to life and hiding from humanity. Late payoff. Why it's more than a pretty beach. Here's what no guidebook tells you. Okinawa isn't just about snorkeling and noodles. It's about longevity, resilience, and a philosophy called ikigai, roughly translated as your reason for getting up in the morning. People here live longer not because of some magical seaweed, but because they move often, eat slow, and stay connected. You don't just visit Okinawa, you absorb it. And once you do, Tokyo feels a little too fast. Kyoto, a little too formal. Okinawa? It just makes sense. If this mix of mystery, miso, and manta rays has you hooked, you'll want to check out our local Bali Travel Guide 2025. It's got the same off-grid magic, but with temples, jungle scooters, and volcano views instead of chopsticks. Now, let's get back to Okinawa. So, beginner or not, here's the deal. Okinawa is where Japan lets its hair down, grabs a ukulele, and kicks off its sandals. It's not polished, it's not perfect. But that's exactly why it stays with you. Come for the beaches. Stay because your soul suddenly feels lighter. And if you do go, don't tell too many people. Let's keep a few secrets for ourselves.